How to install HydraBot Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to install HydraBot Discord. To begin, let's go to Safari. And in Safari, just simply look up hydra.bot. So let's go to their official website and you should see this page. Just accept all the cookies and just tap invite on this page. And then you have to sign in. So use your email or phone number associated with your Discord and then just put in your password. So let me just log in here. Let's see. Okay, now for the password, let's put in our password and just tap login. All right, now that you've put in your password and your username or email, next thing you have to do is basically allow Discord to do the following. So you can actually just select the server where you'd like to add it to as well. So at the bottom, we have add to server. Just tap on select a server. For me, I only have one, so I'm just going to tap on this, but select the appropriate one for you. And then tap on continue. On this page, it's basically just all the things Hydra can access on your Discord account. So it's up to you how you'd like this to be. You can uncheck some stuff here or just leave everything checked. It's up to your preference. So just tap on authorize once you're done and then just complete CAPTCHA. So let's just wait for this. And there you go. I now have a confirmation here. So let's go to Discord. So you can actually see the confirmation. There you have it. We have already successfully installed HydraBot on Discord. And if you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.